Hey Andrew, my name is Paul. I'm with East Wind SEO and I've partnered up with Royal Elevation to bring you this video showing you some tips on improving your online presence. So you spoke with Nathan earlier about this video and I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to go over content citations and backlinks. So I have your website pulled up right here. Great looking website, really nice logos. Not much to it though. You do have a nice video, but other than that, not a whole lot to the website, right? You definitely want to have, a click to call or a call to action button, maybe a chat bubble, form to fill out right up at the top here. These are ways to convert traffic that come to your website. And, that's definitely something you want. The more ways you have to convert traffic, the better it's going to be for you in the long run. But with that being said, it is a nice looking website. I would definitely recommend more content. We always recommend at least 1,500 words of content. And the reason being, it allows you plenty of room to put in buyer intent keywords. Now, it's going to be anything that, any word or phrase that somebody's going to put into Google as they search for a product or a service. It's also going to help Google when they crawl your website, tell them about your business, what it is you guys do, the areas you serve, the services you offer, all that kind of stuff. And it's going to help them determine where they're going to place you within the Google search results. And it's also going to help you guys show up more often for those keyword searches as people are searching for those keywords because you are relevant to those searches. So moving on from that, we're going to jump into a Google search right now. So you're going to see the first thing at the top here are ads. A great way to gain some clients. Ads allow you to target a specific audience. Therefore, getting your name in front of the right people, in front of the eyes of the people that are actually searching for your products or services. So you can definitely see some good results from that. Moving on down, we have the Google Map Pack. This is the top 3 of the Google Map Pack. Definitely a place you want to be in. These guys see a good chunk of traffic just from showing up in that top 3, and that's going to have a lot to do with your Google business profile and your citations. So a Google business profile, you want to have that filled out as much and as accurately as possible with all of your business information. Get it into some, online directories, as many as you can. And that's going to be anything like Angie's List, Yelp, Yellow Pages, so on and so forth. The point here is to get citations back from them, and that's what's going to get you in this top 3. So moving on down from that, you are going to get your organic search results. We can see Angie's List sitting up here. We got Yelp down here as well. They are online directories, not really something you want to concern yourself with. You want to really focus your efforts and your energy on overtaking, your competitors' actual websites. So to do that, you're going to need, some information, right, of how their website's performing, how your website's performing, what you can do to overtake them. So we're going to jump right into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and this is what I use to do that. It tells me, how a website's performing, what I might need to do if I want to start ranking higher, or maybe start gaining more traffic, or overtake my competitor's website, right? So I have you guys put in right here. Not a whole lot going on, not a whole lot of information showing up right now, but we're talking about it anyway. This UR and DR, these are 2 numbers you want to work on. You want to get them up as high as possible. The UR, basically a trust rating or how trustworthy your website is according to Google. The DR being a power rating or how powerful your website is. Now, this number usually coincides with your backlinks and the amount of backlinks you have and the quality number of backlinks you have. You really want to focus on your referring domains. You want, referring domains to push that power back to them or through those backlinks to your website. So a backlink's going to be essentially that, it's something linking back to your website from an outside source, whether it be a comment blog or maybe another website or anything like that. So the point here is you want to have quality backlinks linking back to you. And by that, I mean, you want the powerful domains or websites that are linking back to you to be relevant to your service industry. You don't want random websites linking back to you because they will throw out some spammy backlinks. That's exactly what it's going to come across as to Google, and that's going to throw up red flags. It will affect your numbers. It will affect your ranking abilities. on Google and all that jazz. So you definitely want to have quality backlinks linking back to your website. So one of the ways that we could do this, if we go to this ChemDry, they were, I think, number 2 on the organics. We can go take a look at their backlink profile. We can see that they are getting a bunch of traffic. They're being found for a good number of keywords, and they do have some good backlinks, right? So we'd go through the backlink profile and see what we could find that's working for them, because you guys are in the same service industry. It's going to, the backlinks that they have that are working for them are going to work for you as well. Same thing with their, keywords. We could definitely go through their keywords or competitors' sites, other competitors throughout. We'll make a list of them, go through all their keywords, see what's working for them. Add some content. Therefore, we can take those keywords that we found that are working for them, add them into the content, right? And then start getting some results from that. Start gaining more traffic to your website. So, with that being said, those are my tips. This right here, this is the reason why I always stress on that 1,500 words of content on your homepage, because these are being found for 1,700 keywords, right? Because that content, the keywords are in that content, so therefore you will be found over and over and more as people search for those keywords. So those are my tips. I hope that they were helpful. I hope you found some value in this video. You can definitely implement these yourself, or you can always reach out to us. Either way, we appreciate you taking the time to check this video out. I hope that it was helpful. And go ahead and have yourself a wonderful rest of your day.